How to fix YouTube video quality not available. Well, a few days ago, as I was using YouTube, I personally noticed that there was no any quality option for YouTube videos that I was playing, and not only for one, but it was the case for all the videos that I was watching. Well, later on, I fixed that by simply heading over to Play Store or App Store. So I was using it on my Android device, so I head over to Play Store. In this case, I'm using an iOS device, so you can head into your App Store, and then you'll have to update the application to the latest version. Now, sometimes not updating the app can cause glitches, so make sure you're always updated. Now, that should fix your issue. However, if you are trying to set a particular quality on a YouTube video that you're playing and you're not getting that option, it can be that the uploader did not provide any video options, so they must have defaultly uploaded either 360 or 480p video. So in that case, you won't be able to change it. But other than that, if you are playing the video, so here you can tap on settings on the video and then tap on quality, and you'll be able to change it. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.